Hello, you're welcome back to my page. Today we're going to look at how we can create our Facebook page. All right. I believe by now you have a Facebook account already and you're looking for how to create a Facebook page. So this is a detailed video on how you can create your Facebook page. All right. So let's go into it. Then go ahead to open your Facebook and then come to this menu icon that is here. You click on it, then scroll down to where you have social. Okay, from where you have social, you scroll down to page. Immediately after field, you will see page. Okay, you click on it. Once you click on it, you come to the left side of your system. You see pages. Okay, below it you see create new profile or page. Then you click on it. You see this box that is giving you an option if you want to create a personal profile or a public page. Okay, so you go ahead and click on public page because public page is a page for creators, organizations, okay, and a page where you can also grow as a business. So you go ahead to click on it and then click on next. Okay, go ahead to read the instructions given and then click on get started. Okay, so by the left side of the screen, you see create a new page. Your page is where people go to learn more about you. Make sure that yours has all the information they may need. Okay, so the first box here is for you to enter the page name. Okay, I've entered the page name. So the next box is category. Okay, you click on it. Account is for a music artist. Okay, so we're going to go ahead to search music. Okay, see, it's showing a lot of brand under musician, music video, music production studio, film and music shop, live music and all that. So I'm going to click on musician because it's a music artist. Okay, so we can add song. Just go ahead and add as many as you want, all right, depending on what you're doing. If you're a makeup artist, you can search for makeup artist. If you're a hairstylist, you can search for hairstylist and all that. So the next thing is for us to add bio. Okay, I've already written it down. I'll just copy it and paste it. All right, and do the necessary adjustments that I want to do. So I'm done with the bio. Okay, so bio shows what you do and what the page is all about. As you can see on this desktop, you've seen the bio. Your bio shows who you are and what your page is all about. Okay. So after that, I will go ahead to create page. So the next step is for you to finish setting up the page. You put your contact, your email address, your location, town, postcode, and all of that. Okay, so let me quickly do it to save us time. So here you change to Nigeria. Let me search Nigeria. Okay, so go ahead to choose Nigeria where you are and then the number. All right, then enter your email address. All right, then you go ahead to add your location. Okay, so the next one is to add your postcode. I'm not sure of his postcode, so I'll do that later. Then you add, let people know your location as, okay, always open. We're going to choose always open and then click on next. So the next step is to customize your page where you add your profile picture and a cover page. Like you see up here, you see your profile picture is one of the first thing that people see. Try using your logo or any image that people can easily associate with you. All right, so we click on add profile pics. So I'll quickly get a picture I have here. So let's choose this one and click open. We allow it to load. Okay. So while it's loading, I will try to put the cover page at once. So I've already designed a cover page for this. So I'm just going to get it now. Okay, this. Okay, open. So that both can load at the same time. All right, this is our cover page. We're still waiting for the profile to load. You can also drag to adjust if maybe what is showing is not showing the total um measurements you design. You can also go back to your Canva or Illustrator where you designed your cover page and reduce the size. Okay, so let's leave it this way. Okay, let's to click on next. Okay, the next slide is to connect WhatsApp to your page. All right, so we'll go ahead to connect, add this WhatsApp to his page. Let's search, this is Nigeria. Click on it, then go back to add the number. So the next thing is for you to get a code. Although the phone number is not here, so we cannot proceed with this. We'll go ahead to skip this level and then invite friends. All right, I'll still go next because this is not his phone. I'm just creating this page for him. So we click on next. um the next slide is stay informed about your page or is active. Okay, page notification, your profile is active, marketing and promotion emails about your page is active, so we'll click on done. So finally, we've succeeded in creating a Facebook profile page for my client who is a music artist. Okay, as you can see, this is the cover, this is the profile page, this is the name, and the bio, which is intro. All right, so I believe this video was helpful to you and thanks for watching.